Your mind is like a powerful computer, and your beliefs are the software running it. In this video, we'll discuss how limiting beliefs impact your mindset, confidence, and ability to take action. Think about a time when you wanted to try something new, but fear held you back. Maybe you thought, what if I fail? That fear is a limiting belief at work. Limiting beliefs create hesitation, keep you in your comfort zone, and stops you from taking action. But here's the truth. The most successful people in the world also had doubts. They just didn't let those doubts define them. Instead, they changed the story. Now, let's look at a real example of someone who transformed their life by reframing their beliefs. Sarah's transformation. From "I don't have enough time" to building a thriving online business. Before the mindset shift, Sarah was a working mother of two who always dreamed of starting her own online business. However, she constantly told herself, "I don't have enough time to build a business. I'm too exhausted after work and taking care of my kids. I'll start when life slows down." For years, she stayed stuck in the same routine, believing she had no time to pursue her dreams. The breakthrough. One day, Sarah decided to reframe her belief using the method of living in the end. Instead of focusing on the time she lacked, she asked herself, if I were already running a successful online business, what would I believe about time? She realized that successful entrepreneurs didn't find time. They made time by prioritizing what mattered most. So she reframed her limiting belief. I create time for what's important. Even 30 minutes a day can move me forward. The action step. Instead of waiting for a perfect time, she committed to spending just 30 minutes a day working on her business, whether it was researching, writing content, or networking. The result. Over 6 months, those small daily actions compounded into real progress. Sarah launched a coaching program for moms looking to work from home, earned her first $3,000 in side income, eventually quit her 9-to-5 job to work on her business full-time. The lesson, limiting belief. I don't have enough time. Reframed belief. I create time for what's important. Small action. Spend just 30 minutes a day on my business. By shifting her belief and taking small, consistent action, Sarah broke free from the mindset that was holding her back and built a life of freedom. How this applies to you. What's one limiting belief you have? How can you reframe it into an empowering belief? What is one small step you can take today toward your goal? Drop your answer in the comments. Your breakthrough starts now.